Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to war, a new era of wrestling.
Mega Mouth Vincent.
I doubt whether if the referee want to shake hands with him.
And he's coming out with Sledgehammer. It looks like they've actually got rid of the Iceman, as we saw, coming in on a one-to-one match with young Appollo.
Powerful boy, though. I wonder why these guys always get themselves tattooed up. They call him Bouncer. He's always bouncing about.
Is he directing the film crew again?
Yeah.
Well, let's see how Sledgehammer goes just on his own, without his tag partner.
That's right, they sacked him, didn't they?
Yes, indeed. I think there'll be a replacement along very shortly.
They do some talking, these two, don't they? They tell the referee, the cameras, what they want done. No one takes any notice. But... Oh, nice.
Nice arm roll from Appollo.
Straight arm. That's nice.
Break him up, Jay, break him up.
Very neat to Appollo.
Yeah, very neat.
Flick up and a wrist lock out.
Jay!
Leg snatch. Sledgehammer actually seems to be putting some wrestling holds on for a change. Oh, just as I say that, he rakes him in the eyes. Spoke too soon.
I've seen him wrestle. He can wrestle.
But he tends to go for the more barbaric tactics. There we are, the back elbows.
That knocks him out quicker, doesn't it? It tires the man very quickly.
Clothesline to the chest.
If you've got powerful arms, you might as well use them.
Oh, good leg snap by Appollo.
No. I know the crowd want him to, but it's just not done.
Did someone knock Mega Mouth Vincent's hat off, or did it fall off? I hope someone knocked it off.
It did, the camera's missed it. Leg stretch.
Oh! I think the Hammer's too keen on that move.
See, drag him up. Fist to the stomach. Knees to the head there.
Sledgehammer, I believe, is the weightlifting champion at his weight of Southern England.
Really?
Yeah, powerlifting champion.
Ah. Powerful boy.
See the way he just threw Appollo back in one hand. Now drags him out again like a rag doll.
Well, they agreed to go in with these men, you know.
Well, he's a tough competitor, Appollo. Just the competition just too good.
That was the manager's foot.
You set very high standards for war competitors, Jackie.
Yeah. I want to see more wrestling come into it, you know. Bruce strength all out for a while, but... Oh, fist again.
Sledgehammer's not having it all his own way in this contest.
No, he's not.
Now he's choking him over the ropes.
Cutting his
Here
hair
comes the
off.
Mega Mouth. What is he up to? Catapulted him back off those ropes. Side headlock with that station.
Yeah. So the fingers across the eyes, actually. Not in the eyes, across the eyes. Good.
Backdrop.
Kick him with the heel.
He's still well on top, Sledgehammer, in this contest.
Well,
have to go outside for a break. So Apollo's gone after him. And slammed him. Megamouth Vincent won't like that at all. Oh, he
Puts
just
him in the
headbutted-
face.
Headbutted Megamouth Vincent. I like it. Teach him to keep interfering.
Oh, never go for something and leave it.
He left himself open for the kick,
Yeah.
didn't he?
If you're going to take it, take it. If you hesitate, you come unstuck.
Slams him into the corner post. And again. Oh, what's this? Power slam? That's a power slam.
Jars the body.
He's got a pinned in there, Sledgehammer, and he seems to be something making him
No,
suffer
he
a
wants
little.
to suffer.
Oh, Boston Crab. I think that's it.
That's it.
Don't get out of
Yeah.
the Boston Crab, particularly if Sledgehammer puts it on. A lot of power in that upper body. He doesn't want to
No,
come
he
off it
should
either.
pull him off, though. I mean, the man submitted. He should have pulled him off.
Well, he's just making sure he doesn't want to come back in there with him. Sledgehammer's got his eye on that gold belt as well.
See, with American rules, you can't disqualify him for that.
No.
There we go, my people. What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
Do the slow motion now, the power of that Boston Crab. There he sits right back and puts tension on the back and the knee joints. Virtually impossible to get out from.